Introducing a great value 3.5 bedroom traditional stone house located just a few minutes drive outside Andratx town in the beautiful Sa Coma Valley. Set within its own parcel of land, this property offers great renovation potential, as well as the most fabulous views right across the southwest of Mallorca. The house features a swimming pool and a spacious barbecue and terrace area. As well as its very own established citrus tree orchard. Entering the property, you'll find a wonderful rustic open-plan living room with a fireplace and kitchen. Which leads up to the first bathroom and downstairs bedroom. Take the stairs up to a spacious sunny bedroom. And onto the main bathroom. Passing through the other bedroom or office area to another double bedroom, also with views worth waking up to. To organise a viewing, please contact Claire now on 695 420 903.